káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ayélujára tí òní. Àkórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa tòní ni iṣẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe nínú gbólóhùn. We'll be looking at the functions of a verb in a given sentence. What is a verb? Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe ni òpómúléró fún gbólóhùn èdè Yorùbá. A verb is the backbone or the main meaning in a sentence. Gbólóhùn ni àtòpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń gbé èrò ọkàn inú ẹni jáde. A sentence conveys our thoughts. I hope you are writing this in your copy notes. It's important. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe lè jẹ́ ẹyọ kan nínú gbólóhùn. Irú ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lè jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe pọ́nbélé. It could be the main verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe ẹlẹ́ẹ̀là, splitting verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìlẹ́ẹ̀là, non-splitting verb. Àti ó lè jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe àkànmọ́rúkọ. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, Bọ́lá sùn. Bọ́lá slept. This sùn in this sentence, slept, is a main verb. It's a main verb. Example 2. Wọ́n bà iṣẹ́ náà jẹ́. They spoilt the work. Bàjẹ́ is a verb, spoilt, but it has been splitted. Wọ́n bà iṣẹ́ náà jẹ́, so it functions as a splitting verb. Bọ́lá jókòó lórí àga. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe aláìlẹ́ẹ̀là náà lè. You cannot split this kind of verb. Now, we should know that ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe ni ó máa ń tẹ̀lé olùwà. That is, a verb follows the subject in a sentence. This subject could be ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ, ìná, ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ, ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò àfarajẹ orúkọ, or a pronoun in a given sentence, especially in gbólóhùn ẹlẹ́yọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe, that is simple sentence. You can see example in simple sentences. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, Bùnmi wà ní ilé. Bùnmi is at home. You can see this is an auxiliary verb. Wà in this given sentence is an auxiliary verb. We are still looking at the functions of this verb. Olùdarí jẹ ẹ̀bà. Olùdarí ate ẹ̀bà. Main verb. Ate in that sentence is a main verb. Mo rí owó. A. Rí is see. It's also a main verb. Let's give more examples on this. Oríṣi gbólóhùn tó ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Ìyá Wálé gún iyán jẹ. Gún is pound. Ìyá Wálé is a noun. And a noun, Ìyá Wálé in this given sentence is the subject. Do not forget that these verbs follows a subject. Bùnmi jókòó lórí odó. Ọmọ náà dúdú fàáfàá. All this, if you observe, our verbs are following the subject. Adé gun igi ọ̀pẹ. Fẹ́mi mu omi tútù. If you observe very well, you see they are following the subject. That is the Olúwa. They are following the subject of this sentence. Now, our evaluation. You write this down in your copy note, and as well send it to me in the chat box. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe lè jẹ́ dash nínú gbólóhùn. Oríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe tó wà. Kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe máa ń tẹ̀lé? What does a noun follow? This is your assignment. I expect it in the chat box as well. Kọ oríṣi gbólóhùn tó ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe 5 sentences with verbs. Thank you. Bye.